Okra controls hunger and diabetes, lowers cholesterol and removes fatigue. The okra, the hibiscus esculentus, also known as akro, gumbo, kayabo and lady's fingers, is a greenish plant native to Ethiopia, and popular due to the powerful healing properties. It has a long list of health benefits, such as treats fatigue. It is abundant in antioxidants and polyphenols, so it supports the storage of the glycogen in the liver, and increases the energy levels. Lowers cholesterol levels. The consumption of okra will help you lower cholesterol levels and prevent fat accumulation. It helps the bile acid production in the stool, and lowers the risk of heart attacks and atherosclerosis. Controls diabetes. Okra seeds inhibit alpha-glucosidase, the enzyme responsible for breaking down carbs and improving the insulin sensitivity of the cells. Therefore, they treat diabetes and lower the fasting glucose levels. Prevents food cravings. Okra is high in fiber, so it creates a feeling of satiety, and prevents weight gain. Fights gastritis. The juice of okra fights inflammation and bacteria, and lowers the risk of gastritis. Protects from kidney diseases. The consumption of okra will improve the function of the kidneys and protects against kidney diseases. Fights constipation. Okra water helps the free motion disposal, and fights constipation. Controls asthma. Okra is of great help in the treatment of asthma. Stops bleeding, and strengthens bones. The high vitamin K content of okra strengthens the bones, boosts blood circulation, stops excess bleeding, and lowers the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Improves eyesight and strengthens immune system. The high vitamin A content improves the eyesight and boosts the immune system, since it improves the white blood cell production. Improves skin health. The use of okra prevents pigmentation and premature aging, and improves skin health, due to the potent antioxidant qualities. Improves hair health. The use of okra will soften the hair, treat dandruff, and make the hair shiny and healthy. Prevents sunstroke. Okra will also help you protect against sunstrokes. Additional tips. Always choose okra with smaller, tender pods, as they have a better taste. For cooking, choose brighter colored okra pods. The unblemished okra means that it is fresh and not rotten inside. Store the okra unwashed, in a paper bag, or wrapped in a newspaper. Keep it in the warmest part of your refrigerator, up to at least 3 days. If you want to store it longer, freeze the entire okra. Then, before cooking, wash it well as with water, pat it dry with a dry towel. Trim the ends of the okra before adding it to the dish, and use it as a whole or chopped. When cooking it, fry it in oil, and add spices. To reduce the slime, add vinegar or lemon water, and when almost cooked, add it to the dish. Enjoy the taste of this amazing plant and boost your health in innumerate ways.